guys, welcome to Creations. I'm Kaveri and today I'm going to share with you how to make some cute hair scrunchies.
You can choose any yarn you like. Prefer a soft or squishy yarn because it gives a nice soft feel to your scrunchie.
So if you don't know how to crochet a chain or make slip stitches, please refer to my Crochet Basics Part 1 video. I've put the link in the description below. So let's begin. So we make a loop, put our ring on it, insert our hook, hold everything together, yarn over, pull through. Now we're going to chain 8. You can choose any number. I chose 8 because I find that a convenient number. Chain 8 and then do a slip stitch onto our ring. So we put our hook inside, yarn over, pull it out. The same loop we pull out from the loop on our hook. Again chain 8. And another slip stitch onto our ring. And let's do that once more. So you'll see something like this forming. So we want this throughout. So we're going to do the same thing, chain 8, slip stitch, chain 8, slip stitch throughout the ring till the end, and let's meet at the end now. So guys, I'm at the end of my scrunchie. This is my last chain of 8. I'm just going to make one slip stitch and chain 1. Now I can pull my thread and cut it. Pull it tight. Take your tapestry needle and just put it inside your last chain. I just like to go a few rounds, and yeah, it's secure, so don't worry about it now. You can just cut this end that you have after you've weaved in your end, and your brand new pretty scrunchie is ready. So guys, I hope you were able to follow the video and make these cute scrunchies. Please subscribe to Creations and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post my next video. Stay safe, stay crafty.